Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing the data so you can experiment without risk. Back up the affected directories to an external drive or cloud. This preserves timestamps and metadata. Then, check disk health. Run smart diagnostics in chkdsk or fsck, because physical or file system errors drive most corruption. Once done, close the file manager and any apps that might lock files. Use Task Manager or LSOF to confirm nothing is holding handles, and make sure you have admin rights ready. Now you inspect metadata and indexes that the file manager relies on. If index or database files are missing, restore them from the backup or use the file manager's rebuild function to regenerate thumbnails and search indexes. Next, repair permissions. Run iCackles on Windows or chmod/chown on Unix, because wrong ACLs block visibility. Finally, recover corrupted entries with file system utilities like ntfsfix, debugs, or e2fsck. So to finish, restart the file manager and verify the folder tree, metadata, thumbnails, and search results. Make sure modified dates and sizes match the backup. If problems persist, check system and file manager logs, then run safe mode or reset the file manager profile to eliminate corrupted settings. As a last resort, restore from the backup or run dedicated recovery tools to extract remaining files. Quick troubleshooting tip. If indexing reproduces corruption, disable indexing and reindex incrementally to isolate faulty items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.